What's going on, everybody? It's your man David down at Crosstown Chrysler in Edmonton, Alberta. And from the used car superstore is this 2018 Ram 1500 Sport 4x4 in brilliant black crystal pearl paint, powered by the Hemi 5.7 liter V8 engine underneath the hood. This is a crew cab with the 5-foot box on the back, and you'll find mud flaps behind all the tires. Come to the front here. This does have projector style headlamps lighting up the road in front of you. This does have LED front turn signals, which are also the running lights. You'll see that this truck does have aftermarket Mamba rims. They are shining bright and they're very unique. The tires have tons of tread on them for you. These are mud and snow tires. LED turn signals built into the mirrors. Very handy. Excellent badging on the exterior. Open up the driver's side door here. This does have power folding in mirrors. Just hit this button right here and you'll see that the mirrors fold in like so. And if you press the button again, the mirrors will easily fold back out. That's fantastic to have in case you're trying to park in a tight parking spot. This does have a leather wrapped steering wheel. Feels good in the hands. This has automatic headlamps. And this does have fog lights too. You can set it and forget it. Power adjustable driver's seat. Very easy to adjust that. This does have vinyl seats. Awesome. Plenty of headroom throughout. Let's go take a look in the back seat area. This door opens up nice and wide so anybody or anything can easily get in back here. Great amount of foot space in the back seat. This does have directional air vents, and there's a 12-volt DC power outlet back here, so passengers can easily charge up devices. Easily flip up the seats, just like this. There's a fold-out gate divider. You can put things underneath or on top for storage, and if you flip this up, you'll notice that there's storage underneath, and there's a clip here so you can keep it secure. LED interior lighting throughout. Fold down backseat middle armrest with 2 cup holders. I think we should go take a look at the box right now. So let's go. But inside the box, you'll sure notice LED box lights. These are handy to have at nighttime. You can easily see everything that's inside your box when it is very dark. And of course, you have your box lights up there too. Open up the tailgate here. Very good. You'll find hooks in all 4 corners. Easily tie down your load so nothing falls out. Dual exhaust tips out the back. This Ram 1500 does have aftermarket exhaust and it sounds amazing. As soon as you start it up, there's a nice rumble to it that everyone is sure to notice. Come to the other side here. We'll just take another look at the back seat. All right, tons of foot room. There's pockets on the back of the driver's seat and the passenger seat. There's handles on both sides so passengers can easily lift themselves inside this truck. Fold out gate divider here. Boom. Put things on top or underneath for storage. And of course, underneath this gate divider, there is more storage space. And of course, a clip. Bam. Look at that. Unique interior styling touches throughout. You'll see this dark chrome styling. It's throughout the interior. And it looks absolutely fantastic. Front passenger side here, you do have an upper glove box with a convenience light. Lower glove box here. There's some goodies in there for you. Open this middle compartment up. Upper storage compartment, 2 USB ports and auxiliary port. And there's even more storage space down below. Piano black interior styling touches. Again, the dark chrome styling touches. Looks awesome. Let's hop inside and take a closer look at this Ram 1500 Sport right now. Alrighty then, I am now sitting inside the 2018 Ram 1500 Sport. And the first thing you'll see is this beautiful leather wrapped steering wheel, which I already mentioned, but I just wanted to let you know again that this is a leather wrapped steering wheel. And yes, cruise control on the right, gear selection buttons. This does have the rotary style gear selector. Very good. And underneath here, you'll see push button 4-wheel drive with 4WD auto. You just hold it and you can easily engage the 4-wheel drive. Behind the steering wheel, you'll find steering wheel mounted audio controls. They control your volume, allow you to go through your presets and more. This does have an LCD driver information center. Gives you lots of useful information, including a digital speedometer. This truck only has 88,200 kilometers on it. Not too bad. Definitely book a test drive soon. Move to the middle. What is this? Oh, I'm glad you asked. This is a touchscreen UConnect system, and it is the 8.4-inch screen with Sirius XM, so you can be anywhere and always have music and talk radio. You choose. There's hundreds of channels. It does have Bluetooth and voice recognition, paraphone, and they'll allow you to play music off your Bluetooth devices, as well as make hands-free phone calls. Easily adjust the climate, adjust your fan speed, and adjust where you want the air to go just by using the touchscreen, which is absolutely awesome. Does have built-in Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support. That's what the projection manager is, which is very good. And down here, you'll find traction control and tow/home mode. There's a 115-volt AC power outlet right here, so you can plug in aftermarket devices. Auto dimming rear view mirror with an assist and SOS button. Those are important to have. Lots of visibility out the front window. Absolutely awesome. Right here in the middle, you do have a cell phone holder, and there's also a 12-volt DC power outlet down below. And this does have a power rear sliding window. Using the switch right here, you can easily open up the back window. Look at that. That's awesome. This has been the 2018 Ram 1500 Sport 4x4 in brilliant black crystal pearl paint, powered by the Hemi 5.7-liter V8 engine underneath the hood. This is a crew cab with the 5-foot box on the back. It has aftermarket Mamba rims, dark chrome styling touches inside the interior. Come on down to Crosstown and book a test drive today.